Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Prompts apps, which is one of the apps in the apps dashboard within PromptPilot. This will save you from rewriting the same prompts. The Prompts app lets you build a reusable library that can be used across different projects. Let me show you how to transform your workflow. From the home screen, click on Prompts. You will see two sections: global prompts that work across all projects, and project prompts specific to your current code base. As you can see, I have one global prompt that I use across all my projects for code review. Let's create a new prompt. Click New Prompt. I'll name it Test Project Prompt. Mark it as a favorite if you use it often. Notice you can choose to save it globally or just for this project. There's a section for an optional category, and then, of course, the content of your prompt. Here's where it gets powerful. Instead of typing prompts manually, just check the boxes next to prompts in your library. I'll select the global prompt for a complete code review. I now go back to the Smart Bundle tab, and instantly, as you can see, it is now added to my bundle with their full content. The Prompts app turns repetitive AI conversations into one-click operations. Build your library once, use it forever.